How to grow your YouTube channel fast and easy. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to grow your YouTube channel fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to YouTube. Now this is the home page, and this secret will help you a lot. So all what you have to do to make your channel grows fast is go to the search bar right here on YouTube and search for example how to, and choose any word right here. Okay, now those are all those here you can make videos about. All those suggestions you can make videos about easy. For example, how to draw a bunny, how to delete Facebook account, how to draw Naruto. For example, let's try T, how to tie a tie, how to train your dragon. If you start making videos about those suggestions, you will start getting views, and trust me, you can try it, and I'm sure you will start getting views and subscribers fast and easy. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.